Okay, so we're at the Bean in Chicago. The original name for this art piece was Do I Have Something in My Teeth? It's the original check for teeth. But anyway, I'm in Chicago. I sent out an alert earlier to Open Night Sneeze members. Thank you for clicking on it. It was basically just organizing a flash mob here at the Bean. So what the idea was, people were going to choreograph. We were going to start dancing around the Bean. Then people were going to be like, "What are you doing?" And then we were going to be like, "It's for Open Night Sneeze." And they were going to be like, "What's that?" And I was like, "Google it." And then the whole flash mob's like, "Google it. Open Night Sneeze, Google it." And so that was the idea behind it. Are you in the Bean right now? Okay. So basically it's just, we're waiting. I'm not sure what time it is. It's 5:19, 5:20 was supposed to start, so it's pretty exciting to think there's a lot of unsuspecting tourists. They don't know that what's going to happen. He could be part of Planet Earth, I don't know. Time, so we might be a few minutes early. Here comes a group. This one. This is probably the group. Beautiful. I thought that was the group. It wasn't. So. It's over here. The people have come. It's just a matter of getting. I'll let them warm up, and then we come in. Don't forget to say Google it. Google it. That was a big part of it. Google it. What? They're gonna warm up. I'm really pleased with the response. I'm pretty excited about it.